The AMC Pacer. You probably know it as that weird bubble car from the 70s. Some called it cute, others called it ugly, but no one called it fast. That is, until one man decided to throw out the rulebook and stuff massive V8 engines into these rolling fishbowls. This is the wild story of the engine-swapped AMC Pacers, built by a mad genius who turned economy cars into street-fighting monsters. The ugly duckling of the 70s, the AMC Pacer came out in 1975. It was small, round, and had huge windows that made it look like a bubble on wheels. AMC said it was the car of the future, wide, safe, and easy to drive. But performance? Yeah, not so much. Most Pacers came with small 6-cylinder engines. They were slow and definitely not made for racing. But where others saw a joke, one man saw potential. Meet the madman, Wayne Matthews. Enter Wayne Matthews, a guy with a love for speed and absolutely zero respect for factory specs. Wayne was an engine builder, racer, and all-around car guy who looked at the Pacer and thought, let's make it fast. So what did he do? He took the humble AMC Pacer and stuffed a blown 401 cubic inch V8 under the hood. That's right. He took an engine meant for big muscle cars and crammed it into a car best known for being in Wayne's world. How did he do it? Fitting a big V8 into a Pacer isn't easy. The car's engine bay is tight and it was never meant to handle that kind of power. But Wayne wasn't afraid to get creative. He reinforced the frame, rebuilt the suspension, and custom fit a transmission strong enough to handle all that torque. And just for fun, he added a blower sticking out of the hood. The result? A Pacer that could light up the tires and outrun muscle cars at the track. The reactions were wild. People didn't know what to think. You'd see this goofy-looking little car pull up to a stoplight and you'd laugh until the light turned green and it launched like a dragster. It was the definition of a sleeper, totally unexpected, totally insane. Wayne built more than one of these monsters, showing up at car shows and strip events, melting minds everywhere he went. Some Pacers got 401s, others got 360S, and a few even got nitrous. These weren't just for show. They were built to run, and run hard. Why it matters. So why should we care about a guy hot-rodding Pacers? Because this is what hot rodding is all about. It's about taking something weird, something forgotten, and turning it into something awesome. Wayne Matthews didn't care about trends. He didn't chase horsepower records. He just built cars that made people stop and say, wait, what? And in the world of custom cars, that kind of creativity is priceless. The legacy of the V8 Pacer. Today, engine-swap Pacers are super rare. Most were built in garages by gearheads like Wayne, and only a few survive. But when you see one, you'll never forget it. They look ridiculous, they sound incredible, and they go way faster than they should. They remind us that you don't need a Camaro or a Charger to build something cool. Sometimes all you need is a little imagination and a big engine. Closing footage of a V8 Pacer doing a burnout. The AMC Pacer might have started life as a slow, strange little car, but thanks to one man's madness, it became a muscle car in disguise. This was more than a swap, it was a transformation. So next time you see a Pacer at a car show, look twice. It might just be packing a big block surprise under the hood. Thanks for watching. If you love wild builds and weird cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Have you ever seen a V8 swapped Pacer? Let us know below. Until next time, stay weird and keep wrenching.